In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a single arm dumbbell shoulder press, and I'm going to be doing this on a Swiss ball. So firstly, I want you to pick up the weight that you're using with a nice straight back, come into the middle of the Swiss ball, so you're sat in the middle, feet just wider than hip width apart, and you can either do one of two things to bring the weight up. You could do a hammer curl, or alternatively, if you've got a really heavy weight, you might want to use a bit of momentum from your knee to bring the weights up into that narrow position. So elbows directly forwards here. I've got the weight resting on my shoulder. I'm going to get into my start position by flaring out the elbow. I want a nice 90-degree bend at the elbow. The elbow can be slightly below the position of the shoulder or alternatively in line, dependent on your shoulder mobility. And I'm going to press directly up and back down, returning to that 90-degree bend in the elbow. So when you're doing this on a stability ball, you've got to keep that nice upright posture. There's a lot of demand on the core. The heavier the weight you choose, the more demand there is on the core. So elbow in and back down to return safely back to our start position. Switch over the weight to the opposing side. Again, you can either knee the weight up or bicep curl it. Elbow comes out away from the body, 90-degree bend at the elbow, and from here, directly up, back down, always controlling the weight, especially when we're lowering the weight back down. Once you've done your desired amount of sets and repetitions, elbow in and back to your start position. So that would be how to do a single arm shoulder press on one of these Swiss balls.